Hello, welcome to Bollywood Now, and today we'll discuss something special which we don't usually do, and that is Indo French relations in the world of cinema. So, first of all, welcome to Bollywood Now.
Oh, thank you. Bye bye.
Yeah. So, I have to ask that everybody knows that Paris is the city of love. But what does France have to offer more than that, more than romance or art?
Oh, it's a very interesting question because I think France is mostly the land of art, but it's also the country that has invented cinema. So it's also the country, the ideal country for cinema lovers.
Why do you want Bollywood movies, especially to be shot in France? Like, why did you pick Bollywood in specific?
I think we have to go beyond the cliche. Maybe people have a certain image of what is India, of what is Bollywood movies. And on the other hand, you have also people who have a certain image of what is France with the Eiffel Tower, with the romance, as you said. I think beyond the cliche, I'm sure there is a cooperation that we can build now, a new area to work together between India and France and maybe do co-production and create new kind of movies that can be very, very interesting for both parts.
I'm sure you must be knowing of the movie Queen. So did that help in like attracting tourism towards France?
Oh yes, this is very important. Each movie that is shot in France can be very attractive. I don't know if you remember an old movie called Amélie Poulain that brought a lot of tourists from all over the world and mostly from Asia to Paris and to Montmartre to the Sacré-Cœur. So I think cinema is very attractive and this can be a very good business opportunity to have more shooting films from India in France.
Like movies have explored France, but what do you think? Like, what aspect of France is has still gone unnoticed and that needs to be explored now through the means of cinema or any kind of visual medium?
Well, there are so many aspects of France maybe people don't know. Of course, you have romance, you have the nice parts like Riviera, Paris, romantic places, castle like Chambord. But you have also places of innovation, places of startups, of technology. You have also all the people who are doing music, musicians. It's a country of opportunities and it's a country of secrets. It's also the country of gastronomy where people like to eat, but you have now a lot of little restaurants, little bistro, as we said, which is very different from the classical gastronomy, as you know, à la française. So there is a kind of life, of French way of life, which is brand new and that can be very interesting for what we call the millennials, because I think France is also the country where people they have a kind of art of living, but they like also environment, ecology. They want a sustainable world. So maybe we are a lot of people who want to build a kind of, land of freedom and sustainable world. This can be France.
Talking about French movies, European movies have a different tone to it, which is very different from Hollywood or Bollywood. So, do you people see it happening that French movies are now being shot in India or other countries which are very different from Europe in general?
Well, in fact, there is a place for what I call alternative movies. I see that we have more and more French films shot in India, and I hope maybe we'll have more Indian movies shot in France. This is a kind of mixing culture because in this film you have Indian and European actors mixing in the same movie. So this is really brand new and this is alternative cinema.
Talking about something very important and very relevant, France has always been this every traveler's dream and stuff like that. But in the past few years, the image of France has been tarnished a bit because of the crimes that has taken place, especially with the big celebrities like him and like everybody knows about it. And the same thing is with India. India has always been a dream of tourists, but due to women's safety issues, now many women are scared to come to India, and so on and so forth. So, what do you think? What should be the solution so that the image of a country shall not is not really like hampering the tourism or any kind of exchange of cultures.
Yes, I think exchanging the culture, discovering a new culture, this is really very important. This is also what the media can do. The media are powerful and they can bring another image of what is a country and what is a culture. And now everybody is aware to be. Is able to be aware because it's very easy to have the information. And don't worry, even if we have, like everybody, like everywhere, we have maybe negative aspects, but we also are definitively the country that loves freedom, and this is a really quiet place for women.
Which city in France do you think is perfect for a typical Bollywood movie?
Well, I was born in Paris, so I would say Paris, but I like very much Chambord. Chambord is really a great place. And in the Riviera, you also have so many great places, not only Nice and Cannes and Saint-Tropez that are very famous, but you have also in the countryside, you have really small cities, small villages that are very, very beautiful with a beautiful light.
Till the early 2000s, for Bollywood, it was Switzerland. So every big movie was shot in Switzerland, and then it became Santorini in Greece. And now, can we say that France should be the next destination? If yes, then why?
Well, I would love that France could be the next destination after Switzerland because we have a wide variety of landscape and there is nothing else like France. It's really unique and I think it's less expensive than Switzerland.
Movies can do wonderful things. For example, I was in sixth standard when I watched one French movie, and then I decided that I'll take up French. So, do you see that happening in France also? Like people who are falling head over heels in love with Bollywood movies, trying to learn Hindi or adapting Indian culture in any way?
Well, I don't know if it's difficult to learn Hindi, but why not? Of course, because it's a beautiful language. I personally like to hear foreign people talking in French, as you did, because it's very charming. So I like it, yeah.
So, lastly, like if you have to give a message to all the filmmakers in Bollywood, filmmakers, directors, creators, any kind of, what message would you like to give to them?
Well, my message is come to France, come to shoot in France, and go and see French movies because it's synonymous of freedom.
Thank you so much for talking to us.
Thank you.
So, I hope this conversation has sparked some interest in you. If yes, then please like, share, and subscribe to Bollywood Now.